It's me, and I want you to see how my little brother spins the fidget spinner. Spin it.
I'm gonna spin it. Press spin it.
Good job.
That was your
So
turn.
thumbs up for the 4-year-old. He's 4 and he already knows how to spin a fidget spinner with 3 sides. But I'm going to see if he can...
3-sided board.
Wait. And I'm going to spin this 2-sided one.
I am spinning 2. I have big one sister spinner.
Yeah. And I have a little fidget spinner.
Oh.
It's going to be quite cool. So, yeah, that one doesn't go in that.
No. Yeah.
He's funny. This is the fidget spinner number 2. Comment down below which one is the best. Like and subscribe. So, yeah. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm just kidding. I'm still here. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, wow. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Now it's... Ooh.
It's a light. It's a light.
Look, guys. I never even knew it lights up.
Lights up. Yeah. My spin. Ow! Get it out!
Whoa, guys, this is amazing.
Yeah, it is amazing.
So comment down below. Go check out my brother's YouTube, and he's pretty cool too. He's not the one that has the little account thing, but he's still cool, but I choose that he'd be in my video. And then we could both do this. So then it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, guys. I like it.
I like it.
Sometimes it doesn't even go on lighting.
And there's a light again.
It's look at that.
Look at that.
Look at his. Got ya.
Oh. Look at this. Yeah, I do too.
So yeah. So comment down below which one you like the most. And like and subscribe. Goodbye.